Good morning.
Got it.
So we've just left Pangbourne. Luckily, no catastrophes with being grounded this time round, which was good.
No, we did all right. We just squeezed in though, didn't we?
Yeah, we did just squeeze
Another
in.
squeeze.
It seems
Llamas.
llamas.
Or alpacas. All the same.
That people now are sort of getting up earlier and earlier and are pretty much sort of mooring up by lunchtime. So if you get anywhere after lunchtime, you're just not going to get a spot. Wasn't like that to begin with, but it just seems to,
Seems to have got like that,
seems to have got like that. So.
Well, we were talking to the other boaters there, weren't they?
Yeah.
They were saying you need spots like this, you need to be moored up between 10 and 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Or you just won't get a space. It's a bit mad, really.
It is a little bit mad, yeah.
I mean, we're not going to get to our next mooring till possibly 3-4 o'clock.
Yeah. So we've got a longer one today.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
No, we don't know if we get a mooring. We might have a longer one, but an even longer one.
Yeah.
And then just end up tying it to a tree.
So we're heading for Fry's Island. Which is where?
Reading.
Reading.
Or Caversham Reading.
On search for a pump out again. Definitely going to invest in a composting loo, I think.
Yeah.
I think perhaps it's the way forward.
Well, it does last a long time. We haven't got a very big holding tank.
No.
I think it's only just over 200 litres. It's not huge. It seems to do sort of 2 weeks, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If you're a bit careful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think, it'd be just less, not panic, but sort of less anxiety with a composting loo, thinking, oh, we're getting a bit
It just
full.
saves, then we can take that off the list of places to search for on our days.
Exactly, yeah.
And then all we'd have to worry about is water, but we sort of might be dealing with that as well.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to fill up with water. We're all right for water, but
Fine,
we sort of figure that you might as well.
3/4 of a tank, so if we're there, we might as well do it.
Yeah, might as well do it anyway.
Otherwise, our next stop is Windsor.
Windsor, yeah. Managed to get rid of our rubbish. Actually, Pangbourne
really good.
meadow is fantastic. It's got big bins that you can put your
Yeah,
rubbish
there's big
in.
like Grundon bins at the bottom by the
even
gate.
like dog poo bin with bags as well.
Dog poo bags on a help
Yeah,
yourself.
On a help yourself little reel, which is
Really good.
Yeah, it's quite considerate, isn't it? So yeah, onwards with our journey.
Yeah.
So let's
And
see.
we got to a pub.
We did get to a pub. To the pub.
I had a roast dinner on a Sunday.
We had
First
roast
time in,
dinner.
well, I don't know how long. A long time.
Yeah, at Cross Keys. So yeah, that was nice. Met up with my daughter and a couple of her friends, and had a nice, relaxing Sunday.
At last.
Yeah.
And now busy Monday. Is it Monday?
I think it's Monday.
I have no idea.
So onwards we go.
Hello.
Hello, we are in Sonning, just about Sonning. We're moored right next to Reading Blue Coat School, which sounds very posh.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yes, it's got
Up there,
beautiful
that's the
grounds. We've just had a little walk down the towpath and into the village.
You did.
Yeah. Yeah.
Little tiny village shop.
Yep, little village shop which does everything.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the grounds of the school are very posh. So yeah, we came from Pangbourne. I've got it right.
You did get it right.
I've got it right.
Pangbourne Meadow.
Pangbourne Meadow, where we've been before, where we were grounded before, and we were actually very near the spot where we were grounded
About
before.
3 foot from it.
Yeah, but we actually saw the little shelf, so avoided that this time. So yeah, been quite a chilled day today. Managed to get a pump out and some more water.
Fry's Island,
Yep.
which next time we probably won't use because of the hire boats that go out from there, and we had to wait for about an hour or so.
Yeah, we had to wait for quite a long time while they sort of sorted out all
Turned around all their hire boats.
their hire boats. Yeah, so it took a little
So-
while, didn't it?
But we have found another place just further down,
We have, yeah.
so we've marked that on the map.
Yeah. So I think one thing that we probably will do is invest in a composting toilet, we've decided. Because actually being out on this month-long cruise has sort of opened our eyes a little bit on, you seem to just forever be searching for a pump out.
Yeah, we haven't. Yeah.
We haven't, but we just feel
We have
like
and
we
we
have
haven't.
because we sort of broke down, and then we're running out of water. We haven't, but it feels like we have. But we think when we are full-time liveaboard, we'll definitely have a composting toilet.
Yeah, I think it's.
So that's one less thing to actually have to panic about and worry about
Yeah,
when
you can take it off the list. can't
yeah
you?
when we're
Just
on our travels.
empty it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And
yeah.
extend the water with tanks on the front.
Yeah. So we're going to do some research. We met a couple who's got 2 big sort of water butts on the front of their boat. They don't use the water butts to collect rainwater. They fill them up when they're at a water point, and then they drain them into the tank.
Yeah, so they're recycled. They don't just leave them up there.
No. So they do use
They
them.
run their tank down, then refill their tank,
Yeah.
and then fill the butts back up. So
So we want to do a bit of research into sort of.
probably do that. I think it'd be a bit different on the canal.
Yeah, there are a lot more water points, I think, on the canal.
Yeah, there is water points on the Thames, but the trouble is there's not many bulk water points.
No,
Like where you can put a hose on.
no.
So it doesn't really suit us very
No.
well.
So we're here for the night, and then we'll be setting off again to Henley, maybe.
Henley tomorrow.
Yep. So as always, if you like our videos, please hit that subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and if you want to give it a cheeky little like, it's
Lots of
much
love.
appreciated. See you next time. Bye.